In this video, you will see how to make a textured buttercream rustic wedding cake. Included is the texturizing part, the setup, and the decorating with fresh flowers, so stay tuned. It starts with 3 layers of my best orange butter cake, filled with vanilla Italian meringue buttercream. Use an icing tip to make the icing part really easy. Use a spatula or a spoon to create the textured rustic look. If you'd like a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes, go to the website and get your free copy right now. And my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step, is on Amazon. It's delivery time, so we have to do our traditional prayers. We delivered the cake in pieces and assembled the tiers at the venue. The perfect rustic cake table. The after celebration is our favorite part of a successful wedding cake delivery. Wedding Cakes for You provides aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherish memories. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next week for another great cake video and a live on YouTube. All right, everybody, see you later.